everybody, it is Rustykins here, and I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background. I don't have a proper microphone to be making videos like this. A lot of my content on this YouTube channel is very mixed. It's mixed between speed paints and other things. I highly doubt I'll ever post another AnimalJam video again, but if you guys are interested in AnimalJam videos, don't be afraid to voice your opinion in the comments or give me a like, so I know that this is the type of content that y'all are looking for. But that being said, hi! I'm back. It's been a really long time since, like, 2016. This is not my old account. Whatever happened to my old account is disclosed information to protect the safety of this account. It's a hint, though. It's what a lot of people did do when they weren't interested in playing AnimalJam anymore, but they needed things. So yeah, I don't have that account anymore, and for the safety of my past, I'm not gonna say the name of the account. Disclaimer, I'm not naming the account because I was a scammer or anything, because I never scammed anybody on AnimalJam. I was scammed plenty of times myself. Whatever happened to the account and the name of the account is disclosed for the safety of keeping this account. So, hi, yes, it's Rustykins, and I haven't played this game since 2016. So, a lot of things have changed in the past years of me not playing, but instead of y'all sitting here watching my wolf sit here on a fucking throne for like 15 minutes as I jabber on about my past and the present, I'm going to switch into my owl here, and we're gonna go on an adventure. Huzzah! Why?
Why you say stupid?
How are you still recording? Okay, you can tell me later. Sorry about that, yeah. Well, like I said, I don't have a proper mic, and I share a room with, well, I don't really share a room. But, he's usually in here in the day playing his games, so I'm kind of stuck with other people talking to me. Anyway, besides that, let's get into this. Yes, a lot has changed from 2016, my end point. You know what, we're just gonna say a lot has changed with 2012, which is I think when I started playing. A lot has changed between 2012 and 2020 to this day. A lot of stuff has changed with rarity. Like, the rarity of items have went up in some of them, and some of them have went down. Like, I know back then, that black longs were worth a lot more than they are now. And now they're kind of worth a lot less. Evelyn! Mommy's trying to make a video! But yeah, there's like certain den betas that went down in popularity. Let's talk about the Arctic Hood for a minute, because that was a really big one that kind of shocked me. When I looked up the worth of the Arctic Hood, it shocked me a lot, because back then it was worth a lot of items, and now today it says that it's literally worth a few rims. Like, it literally just says it's worth a few rims, which I don't know how accurate that accusation is. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know if it really is only worth a few rims, but this site seems to be pretty accurate, so I'm going with it. And this place is just not good for starting adventures, I swear.
Do something right now because I'm fucking pissed.
But yeah.
I lost 2 hours of gameplay because the game crashed. I somehow lagged through the wall, and I just lost 2 hours of gameplay.
Oof. Anyway, oh wow, this place is pretty dead too. What the heck? Child, you are okay. Like I said, I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background, and I'm sorry if I don't talk as much. I'm trying to do this without editing, because I don't have an editing program. Otherwise, I would be editing as much as possible. Join my adventure so I can keep talking about bullcrap about AnimalJam. Text lingo, that's apparently a thing. We used to never say rims. It was literally just rare item Monday. Rims was never a thing. But, I mean, apparently now people say rims, and I didn't understand what rims meant at first, and then I had to look it up, and it was blindly was like Rare Item Monday, and I should have known that, but I didn't because I'm basically an AnimalJam boomer. Also, the reason why I probably won't be making a lot of AnimalJam videos is because I don't know how long this phase of me wanting to play is gonna last. The only reason why I'm playing is because last night, like yesterday, someone on their Instagram story was saying, hey, I got AnimalJam items for trade. I'll do it for art. And I'm a pretty good artist, so I was like, bet. Because I used to play AnimalJam and I was like, it wouldn't hurt. So I did that, and now I'm addicted, and I can't stop playing. I played, I think it was like, Ava, I hear you. I hear you. Chunky, stop. I think it was like 11 p.m. I started playing. It was either 10:30 p.m. or 11 p.m. I started playing AnimalJam. Did the trade, got some longs, wristbands and stuff. And then from there, I didn't go to bed until like 2. No, not 2. It was like 3:44 a.m. in the morning is when I finally stopped playing AnimalJam and went to bed. Because I was playing Forgotten Desert for God knows how long. And I couldn't stop playing because I kept getting all these items. And I was super excited because, woo, items! And all this other good stuff. And then this morning I got on, was playing Forgotten Desert. And to my surprise, I got a black long wristband, and I was freaking out about it. I wish I recorded it. I wish I recorded how I reacted because it was super funny. I was like, woo! Heck yeah! But yeah, I haven't played since 2016, once I got rid of my account. So it's been a long while, and coming back to AnimalJam, a lot of things have changed. A lot of things are different. A lot of things are not the same. I still have yet to look around everywhere and see what exactly has changed about the layout itself. Like, I never knew that there was a cave in, what was that one place? The adoption place, there's like a cave behind me that you can go in. I don't know if that existed back then. I don't think it did, but it does now. And that was pretty weird when I found out about that. So yeah, I have yet to explore the rest of Jama and see what else has changed about AnimalJam, because a lot has changed about it, and it's pretty weird coming back after years of not playing and coming back and not knowing what the worth is of things. Like, literally, I'm on the AnimalJam Worth Wiki site because I have no idea what things are worth right now, since I'm just now coming back to AnimalJam. But I'm finding out real quick, so it's okay. Apparently a black long is worth 3 red longs and 1 good long. I don't know if that's true. Also, I have a regular Rare Item Monday headdress available for trade. I'm not one for headdresses, so I'm looking for a black long, and I don't want 3 long collars. Well, no, I want a black long and some decent other collars for it, because I'm trying to collect every color of the spiked collars. Because back then, I used to collect a whole bunch of stuff. I used to have almost all... Actually, I had all the fox hats, had all the rare bows, I had all the normal ones, including 2 neons. I had an Arctic hood. What else did I have? I had a light pink headdress, and I had a black headdress, too. I also got, like, scammed a whole bunch of times when playing it, which made me, like, rage quit a lot with the game, because I would spend hours grinding to get items, and then get scammed doing it. But flash trading, that's one thing I wanted to talk about, flash trading. Okay, so flash trading, back when I used to play AnimalJam, flash trading was a thing. What flash trading is the old mechanism for trading was very different. if you traded and you put your trade offer in, the little accept icon didn't appear within like a second. It appeared immediately. And if you clicked it, there wasn't no second chances. You clicked it and those items were yours. So what flash trading was is basically AnimalJam gambling. Someone would put an unwanted item on their list, like let's say for an example, a necklace, right? They put a necklace on their trade list, and you would put like all sorts of spike collars and like headdresses and stuff. I mean, I'm pretty sure it wasn't that crazy, but sometimes people went that crazy. So they would do the gambling, they would do stuff like that. And if you click yes really fast, you'd get those items. But if the person clicks no really fast, you wouldn't get the items. So basically, it was AnimalJam gambling, and I was addicted to it.
It was like Slapjack card game.
It's basically like Slapjack. It's the card game. You know what if you even know what that is. But yeah. So that's literally what it was. And it was AnimalJam gambling, and I was addicted to it. They changed the mechanism for that because a whole bunch of people kept getting scammed. But yeah, so they changed it, and now the icon appears after a couple of seconds, and you get second chances. So if you want to double think your offer and be like, no, I don't really want to, you can click no. So it technically pops up twice, if you know what I mean. So, picnic basket, have no idea what that's worth. So, yeah, a lot of things have changed in AnimalJam. It was really weird coming back. Don't know how long I'm going to be back playing, because I'm an 18-year-old with a child. I'm an adult. I have a life, I have a baby. Even though I know I spent, like, almost all of my damn time playing AnimalJam last night. It was just a big hit of nostalgia that hit me. I was like, wow, everything's different. So yeah, if you want to add me, literally my user is RustyKins, as I said in the beginning of the video. So yeah, if you want to add me, yay, that's cool. We can go on giant Skype calls and do we can do Forgotten Desert things together. So if you want to do that, let me know. I'm totally open to do that with you guys. It's if you have Skype and if you're allowed to and comfortable getting on a Skype call and doing that. And maybe I'll record it for a video and maybe I'll post it. Who knows? If y'all are interested in this type of content, leave a like and a comment to let me know, because I know that most of my content here are speed paints or PMVs. So yeah, I haven't ever really done AnimalJam videos before, but I might now if it interests you people. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the newer AnimalJam. I think it's okay. It's just a lot of things have changed, and a lot of things aren't the same as they used to be, which is kind of upsetting, to be honest. And I'm kind of sad because I lost all my old friends that I used to play AnimalJam with. I don't even know if the summer carnival is still a thing. So I remember that was pretty big. Everyone had tickets and stuff. So yeah, that was a pretty big deal too. But yeah, a lot of things have changed. And I think the Forgotten Desert is the only game, well, the only adventure now that you can play that actually gives you good items. I know that there's the Arctic Fox, no, not the Arctic Fox, the Arctic Wolf, thing that you could do, but it wasn't as good. Like, the items weren't as good as Forgotten Desert. But yeah, I haven't played this game since 2016. This is my new account. Want to add me, you do that. I know I keep repeating myself. It's just I got like a couple more minutes of record time left. Oh, lit. Boring. But yeah, if you want to go on a Skype call, let me know. And we can play AnimalJam together. So that's it for RustyKins. I'm out.